Hello, my name is Ron Goodman, EPDM Marketing Manager at Carlisle Syntec Systems. Carlisle has a new addition to its productivity-boosting pressure-sensitive flashings, the Sure-Seal 20-inch wide pressure-sensitive cured 60mm flashing. This new offering is the fastest way to flash curbs, reducing application time by 70% compared to non-pressure sensitive curb flashing. The full width of pressure-sensitive tape has excellent adhesion to OSB, plywood, and metal curbs. In addition to eliminating the need for bonding adhesive, the 20-inch pressure-sensitive cured flashing eliminates the need for counter flashing on new self-flashing metal curbs for up to 20-year warranties. The full width of pressure-sensitive tape also allows for multiple uses, such as a target membrane in our mechanically fastened pipe details, where the 2-inch seam plates can be covered with one single piece of membrane. It's also an excellent target membrane for our 30-year pipe detail, with its ability to just prime, peel, and stick the flashing in place. Order a roll for your next project and be prepared to smile. For more information on the Sure-Seal 20-inch wide pressure-sensitive cured flashing, visit the Productivity Boosting page on the Carlisle Syntec website and contact your local Carlisle Syntec sales representative to request trial materials.